Assalamualaikum and very good day. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, let us continue our chapter 5. Basically, it talks about the history of law enforcement in the bracket police in Malaysia. So when it comes to law enforcement agency, the main agency in Malaysia would be the Royal Malaysian Police, which is RMP, and other agencies still available, such as Royal Malaysian Custom and other agencies such as Immigration and ADK and so on. Okay, so under chapter 5, we're going to focus on the history of policing system in Malaysia. So it is very important to understand when and where does this policing system in Malaysia established. Okay, because it is very important to know the root of every single system that we use today. Okay, so the history of policing system in Malaysia will be the main ingredient of this chapter, and then going to be introduced by the word police and policing. So you need to differentiate these both words. Okay, and then gonna see background history of policing system in Malaysia. So I'm gonna skip from Malacca, and then we go on straight to British era, and then we have a problem when Japan came to Malaysia, Tanah Melayu, and they abolished the policing system that has been introduced by British, which bound under the Charter of Justice somewhere in 1940 something. Okay, and then they introduced the system called Capitai, and then after British cut back our Tanah Melayu, our nation, so they reintroduced and developed the policing system. And then we're going to see the pre-independent of Malaya. What do we have in policing system? And then the establishment has been done quite a long time since the Malacca Sultanate in 14th century, and after that we have been conquered by Portuguese, and then we have British. So the development of policing system is not that fast. Okay, it seems I can say that it is very interesting since we should be blessed as British has introduced that system back in 19th century. Okay, and then we're going to see the important events that has been changed or has been altered the landscape of a policing system in Malaysia or in Tanah Melayu during Japanese invasion, and then tragedy Bukit Kepong, and then we're going to see tragedy 13 May, and then the expulsion of Singapore, and then the awarded of royal title to our police, and then the introduction of Sangsaka Biru and Panji, the awarded the recognition of police by our Yang Ketua Agong with the Panji award. Okay, and then the development of RMP till now. So we're going to see the branches and the department that police has and so on. So let's move to chapter 6.